What is Beard Balm? How do you use Beard Balm? And why would you use Beard Balm over something like beard oil or beard wax? Hello everyone, my name is Austin. I am a marketer and proud member of the team here at Lifeproof Grooming, and today we're going to be talking about Beard Balm. So if you've taken on the challenging but rewarding task of growing a beard, then chances are you've heard of beard oil before, but maybe you haven't heard of beard oil's not so distant relative, Beard Balm. Put simply, Beard Balm is a men's grooming product meant to style and hydrate your beard. So Beard Balm kind of walks the line between being a moisturizing product like beard oil and a styling product like beard wax. And in that sense, Beard Balm is often called the do-it-all men's grooming product. So let's jump into a close-up and talk about Beard Balm and its consistency, and then I'll show you how I apply it and what you can expect in a short to medium length beard like I have. Alright guys, so here we have Volt Beard Balm. Now, the Beard Balm obviously is thicker than beard oil. And that's because it's made with a combination of waxes and butters. And Volt Beard Balm specifically is made to be fast absorbing so that it's easy to apply, it's comfortable, and it doesn't leave any of that waxy or sticky residue on your hands or anywhere like that. Now I believe the Beard Balm I have is the Outback scent. You can get them in different scents like drift or unscented or anything like that. This one is very woodsy, it's very rustic smelling, I love it. Let's open the container here and show you what this is all about. And so the way that you can get some of this Beard Balm out cleanly is by just taking the edge of your fingernail, and it's soft enough to just come out on your fingernail like that. And as I rub it into my hands are feeling really smooth. They're not sticky or tacky or anything like that, but I can tell that if I put this in my beard, it would give me a little styling edge. Alright guys, so this is my washed beard. You might be able to tell because it's kind of scraggly. I'm gonna get up close to the camera to show you, but it just feels dry. You know, right after you get out of the shower or something, you ever felt like your beard was dry? It's probably because all the shampoo stripped your beard of its natural oils, and if you don't condition your beard with something like a beard balm, then it's gonna continue feeling dry, and you might even get that dreaded beard dandruff or something like that. So, check it out. You can kind of see the beard is going all over the place. There's no real rhyme or reason to what it's doing, that's just what it's doing. But now let me grab some of this Beard Balm. I'll take some out the way we did. I'm just gonna scrape along with the edge of my finger. Now if you don't want to put your fingernail in there, you can also use something like a guitar pick or whatever you have around. I'm just gonna scrape a little bit of it out. I don't need too much since my beard is kind of short. So just maybe a little pea-sized amount. I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna put it in my palm, roll it around a little bit until it absorbs. That was quick. And then I'm just gonna massage it into my beard. So the scent I got, I think I mentioned, was Outback. It's nice, I like it. I can already feel my beard softening up a little bit. It's all those butters and oils that are going to work. Alright, whenever I'm done applying Beard Balm or beard oil, I just like to pat it down to kind of give some order to the direction of the beard. Alright, I think that's about good, but now check this out. I'm going to get close to the camera again, and you're going to see that there aren't as many kinks or curls or anything like that in my beard. My beard is now orderly, it's straight, and it's soft. Watch. So I get close to the camera, and you can see that all the hair is going in the same direction. But not only that, but it's got a nice shine to it now, I can tell on the camera. My beard really pops. But if you have a longer beard, you can use Beard Balm to style your beard and keep it controlled and moisturized. That's why Beard Balm is great for pretty much everything. And the best part about Volt Beard Balm is no sticky hands. They're not oily, they're not sticky, they're just smooth. So guys, that is the magic of Beard Balm. If you liked what you saw and you wanted to grab your own high quality premium Beard Balm, link in the description, or go to voltgrooming.com and go to the beard section, you will find it there. There are different scents. I got the woodsy Outback scent, really nice. And I hope you enjoyed this video on how to use Beard Balm and what kind of results you can expect from Beard Balm as opposed to beard oil. So I'm sure you guys will be seeing me more in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.